How to log into Milestone Credit Card account online. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. Now over here you'll find the search box. Type in Milestone Credit Card Login and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Go ahead and click on this very first one. Milestone, open it. With that, you will land to the login page. Now from here you can easily log into your account. All you have to do is type in your Milestone account's credentials. So go ahead and type in your username. Likewise, type in the password. In the case you have forgotten your username or password, go ahead and click on this option and recover it. If you haven't registered for your account yet, click on this option of register your account and go through the process. Once you fill this, click on login, and with that you will get access to your account. So this way you can easily log into your Milestone Credit Card account online. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.